All right, guys, we have a big announcement for you guys right now, right here, right now. So we're doing a group trip here in Pattaya, Thailand. I'm actually standing in Isan, Saiphum, Thailand right now. This is where I'm living right now. I occasionally do go back to Pattaya, but we're doing a group trip in Pattaya from August 14th to August 21st, 2026. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys hit that email that I'm going to put on the screen. So yeah, we're going to be doing 7 days in Pattaya. So I'm thinking about doing this group trip, and then we're going to do a group trip in Saiphum. But let's get through this group trip first. So we're going to be doing 7 days in Pattaya. Every day I have something new for you guys. We're going to be doing several different activities like temples, beaches, islands, restaurants, anything you can really think of that you can do in Pattaya, we're going to be doing in those 7 days. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys hit the email below. Hit the email below with like a subject saying interested in the trip, and then just tell me you're interested in the trip, and we can work out different payment plans. I know everybody's going to be wanting a different type of payment plan. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to probably do like a deposit, have you guys pay a deposit up front. And then after you guys can work on the payment plans, you guys can pay however you guys want to pay. Probably like later on or something. So if you guys are interested, so we're going to be doing 7 days in Pattaya. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys hit that email down below. All right, guys, so we're coming at you guys from a beautiful Tuesday morning here in Isan, Saiphum, Thailand, man. We're actually about to go to a waterfall today. So we've actually been to this waterfall a couple of different times, probably about 3 times now. We came to this waterfall last time. We actually visited Isan, Saiphum, Thailand. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but it was like a yellow colored thumbnail. If you guys are like my OG viewers, you guys remember this. You guys remember everything. So we're actually about to go to the waterfall with the whole family today. So we got John over here with us. You know what I'm saying? How you feeling today?
Feeling good. I'm getting ready. It's too hot now.
It's too hot. It is very hot. It's always beaming. So we're gonna go ahead and get in this truck. As y'all can see, we got the whole family with us. Y'all got to get used to seeing the whole family, man, because this is how we roll. Sweaty cap. 6'7", 6'7", 6'7". Sweaty cap, sweaty cap, sweaty cap. Sweaty cap tomb. Sweaty cap pun. Hey, sweaty cap. Sweaty cap, sweaty cap, sweaty cap, sweaty cap. Everybody. Pam leo, pam leo. Pam leo, pam leo. So yeah, y'all. It's very hot out here today. It actually feels kind of good, honestly. It's not as hot as, like, John said it was hot, but it's not as hot as it has been out here. It's been like hotter than this before. Got the sunglasses on today. We're gonna be in the sun all day today, y'all. So pretty much just wanted to protect the eyes, you know what I'm saying? Protect the eyes, but yeah, man, I'm pretty excited to get in the water. Because the water's gonna go well with the hot weather. You know what I'm saying? The water's gonna go super well with the hot weather. And I'm really looking forward to that. So. But right now I don't need my sunglasses. Do y'all ever feel like sunglasses like take away from the vision? Like not take away from the vision, but it takes away from the quality of what you're seeing. Like if you wear sunglasses too much, especially at nighttime, I feel like it takes away from the quality of what you're seeing. Let me know in the comment section if you guys feel the same way. I don't know. That's why I don't be wanting to wear them like all the time too much. I be wanting to wear sunglasses when I really need to wear them. But any other time besides that, nah.
ขับรถขายาวเนี่ยดิขับจ่อบ่เป็น
มีแต่ขาเนี้ยมึงอะไรแค่เจอเลย
ขับขาสั่นบ่ได้นะปวดขา
แค่นี้เลย
แต่มึงนี่น้อยแน่ล่ะว่ามันมีอะไรกิน
ได้อันที่เอาไปยายสมบูรณ์ยังหน่อยเนาะยังมีเนาะแต่นั่นแหละ
ก็เช็คบัตรเนาะเช็คน้ำเนาะ
คือทางเขาอยู่หลังค่ายก็มีเป็นตู้
But yeah, like I was saying, you guys got to get used to seeing the family around, man, because that's just how pretty much we're going to be doing our videos and stuff like that. That's pretty much how we roll, you know what I'm saying? It's just like real life and the videos is the same thing, you know what I'm saying? We just record the real life. And everywhere we pretty much go, like a lot of the places we go to, like we haven't, most of the time we're taking the family with us, you know what I'm saying? And that just makes it a better experience, honestly, in my opinion. It just makes it a better experience when we bring the family along with us. But yeah, man. But we're gonna be doing some traveling pretty soon. We're gonna be doing some traveling pretty soon. We're gonna be going to Koh Si Chang Island, and we're gonna be going back to Pattaya, Thailand, for a little bit.
สภาพจริง
So I'm not sure when we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that within the next couple of weeks. But y'all just stay tuned to the videos, man, and I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated on when we're going to Koh Si Chang and when we're going to Pattaya. I'll let you guys know. Actually, this guy right here is getting a new job.
คิ้วอยู่กัน
โชเฟอร์
Chauffeur.
เออ
Chauffeur. No. Boat. John, how do I say boat?
The same we not have
Boat job in Koh Si Chang. Palm Leo?
พร้อมแล้ว
Palm Leo. I just asked him pretty much if he's ready for the job. He said he's ready, so.
มันจะกระหลงเนาะบ่พี่พ่อไปเรียงตรงนี้ก็ได้ ดิมจบบ่ได้ติด
And I'm just walking down the street. I had to go to the ATM right quick to grab some money for the store we're about to go into. But if y'all can tell, Shayapum never has any traffic, bro. Shayapum never has any traffic. It's crazy. Like, I really like that about Shayapum. Like, very minimal traffic. I've never seen a point in time where the traffic here was actually like busy. Like Bangkok, it's never anywhere like Bangkok or Pattaya or anywhere in any other parts of Thailand. This is like Isan, Shayapum, Thailand. So the traffic is like super minimal, y'all. And I really love that. All right, so just a little pit stop right quick. We stopped over here at this little store. It's kind of like 7-Eleven, just a little convenience store. But I got some pizza, got like a large pizza. I ended up getting this Smoky Bites pizza, the large one, for everybody to share. And it comes right into this package, this big package right here. Medium, small, medium, large. You know what I'm saying? And the price of this large one is only $3. $3, 129 baht. It doesn't get better than that, y'all. It does not get better than that. Like, you guys can find food on the side of the road in Thailand. Like, bro, I'm still amazed at this. I've been living here in Thailand for so long, and I'm used to this, but every time I see it, it still amazes me to the point where I'm like, damn, I can literally go and buy $3 pizza on the side of the road for a large pizza. It doesn't, you know what I'm saying? To me, that's crazy. But we're going here. Look, this AC up in here feels amazing. It feels amazing. So, let me see. Find John. Let me see. You know what the name of this?
CJ shop
CJ Shop.
ผมมองอยู่ไหนไปหยิบเอาขนมสุเรนอยู่อย่างนี้
So John just said the name of this store is called CJ Shop. Y'all can see we got the whole family. The whole family. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna be doing some solo trips. What'd you say? Yeah, I'm gonna get some snacks. You want something? You got something already? So they got, as y'all can see, they got the Oreos, man. Look at this. They got the, damn, chocolate cream double stuff. I think I'm gonna get the double stuff. Let me see, but they got all these different assortments of cookies and stuff like that. They got all these different crackers, peanut butter sandwich crackers. Damn, I might have to grab me. This is why I can't go in the snack aisle, y'all, because I just be grabbing everything that I see. Quick announcement real fast. A lot of y'all always ask me how I grew my YouTube channel, so I finally decided to make something for people serious about content growth. If you didn't know, I've grown one channel to over 260,000 subscribers and another to over 18,000 subscribers, and I've learned a lot through trial and error. So I started my content growth school on School, where I help creators with things like titles, thumbnails, video ideas, strategy, and growing your audience. If you're serious about growing on YouTube or content creation, click the link in the description and join. Let's grow together. Why not? This is why I can't go on the snack aisle, y'all. We got noodles up in here. Energy drinks in like the big packets. We got big packets of water. And they got toiletry stuff as well. So they got but all these different soaps and stuff. It's called CJ Store. It's just another one of these chain market stores in Thailand. You don't see a lot of these in Pattaya or Bangkok. I haven't seen one of these before at all, but you see this in Shayapum now. So you said the name of this store was what?
It's the CJ shop.
CJ Shop. So is this store like cheaper than the normal stores?
I not really know, but yeah, I think it's cheap. What you think? I'm not looking for the price for my stuff yet. It's all another people take it. You take it, it's cheap or what?
45 baht.
Yeah, so cheap. Maybe cheap.
Maybe cheap more. So you said CJ Shop. Okay. And we got all this different stuff, right? We got all this different stuff in the basket. I'm about to tell you guys the full price of how much we're about to pay for all this stuff. It looks like it's gonna be a lot, but it's not gonna be a lot. It's not gonna be, watch, it's not gonna be over 1,000 baht. How much you gonna bet? I'll bet you guys $5. It's not gonna be over 1,000 baht. It's not gonna be over 1,000 baht, I promise. They're just all like little snacks and stuff. Oh, you got that? These chips? Where's the chips at?
You have one in the.
I want one more.
Over there.
Over there? Gonna grab me some Doritos, y'all. Grab me some Doritos. Where's the Doritos? What is? Let me see. Trying to find them. Spicy barbecue. Bet. So as y'all can see, they come in different colors. I got the orange Doritos. They come in the nacho cheese one. The nacho cheese come in the orange, and the barbecue come in the red. Usually the barbecue comes in the purple. Usually comes in the purple, but these are still smacking, but they taste the exact same as the one in America's. So the end price, 734 baht. I told you guys it was not gonna be over 1,000 baht, and I was right. That's about like, maybe like $20, $21, something like that. I'll put the conversion on the screen for you guys. And then we got 2 more bags right in the car.
Yeah, 3 more bags.
3 more bags. And that was only like 700 baht. Told you guys, not over 1,000 baht, y'all. Amazing. Thailand doesn't get better than that. In the States, I know all that stuff will probably cost about maybe like $50, bro. What do you guys think it would cost in the States for all that stuff? Put it in the comment section. I want to know.
อันนี้ว่าค่ะพี่เท่าไหร่ค่ะ
120
129
129 baht pizza, y'all.
yeah for big one
You gonna have some pizza?
maybe I gonna go order my papaya salad.
Papaya salad. Good job. So we're pulling up to the waterfall right now. The name of the waterfall is Tad Ton Waterfall. So I just saw that on the name of the sign. Tad Ton Waterfall. I don't know what they were saying. John was telling me Tad Ton Ton Mak or something. I have no idea what she was saying, but it's called Tad Ton Waterfall. in English. Tad Tone Waterfall.
ว่างไหนไปที่
อย่าหอมหมก
ครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Baby, so did we just get it
บ้าน
free?
หน่อยเดี๋ยวฉัน
We got it.
Because ya home period.
คนยางไปป่าบ้านหน่อยฉัน
here.
นู่นจากบ้านหน่อยจีบ้านหน่อย
Really?
นี่จะปีแล้วมาไหม
So we got connections.
For you นะ200นะ for ฝรั่งเนี่ย just 1%
บอกเลยบ้านน้อง
200
ของเขาเนาะ
and
นี่เหมือนกัน
go
จะเป็นน่อง
people 50
น่องแม่จะหอม
and
เอามัน
tip 20
น่องแม่
baht so we save more today because
บ้านหน่อย
ya home period is big boss here.
Wow, we save a lot.
อืม
Wow, look at this beautiful view right here.
ก็คือพยายามมาบ้านหน่อยถึงอยากมันบอกอยู่เอาชี้ไปชี้มันด้วยเนาะ
Man, that was a beautiful view coming up down the hill right there.
ไปเลยสิเด้อ
Coming down the hill. Beautiful nature, nothing but nature in Isan,
ถ้า
y'all.
นี่ท่านไม่ได้ที่จังหวัดเนี่ยแต่ว่า
Nothing but nature, nothing but beautiful outside
500 บ่ต่ำละ
nature.
ค่ารถก็เท่าไหร่
You know what I'm saying?
80ตีค่ารถเท่าไหร่
Amazing.
แม่นแล้วมีว่า200เลย
So at Tad Tone Waterfall here in Isan Shaiphum, Thailand, they actually do have food services here. So you guys don't have to go to a shop before you guys come here if you don't want to. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to, you can just come straight to the waterfall and they got food and drinks for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So we're about to go over here and shop. John said she wanted some papaya salad, so we're gonna go over here and order her this papaya salad. So as y'all can see, they got food going all the way up here. It's all food and all water materials and stuff like that. John, you say you better get you some papaya salad?
Yeah. Hungry, we not eat yet. We not get the breakfast yet. My breakfast is papaya and chicken grill.
You okay with spicy food for breakfast?
Yeah, of course. Thai people we don't care a lot about it.
Okay. But yeah, if y'all ever come to Shaiphum, man, you guys gotta come check out this waterfall. We came up here like 3 or 4 times. This is our 4th time. 4th time coming up here. So and then these prices are looking pretty good too.
Thank you.
Everybody get that too?
ชิคเก้น
Okay.
เอาสามอย่างเนี้ยเขา
Roy.
ฟิตนิน
Oh, Mark. Yeah. Be home.
สวัสดีครับ
Sweaty
ส
my.
บายดีครับ
Okay. Bong.
บองไม่ได้เอามาแต่กัญชาเนี่ย
Oh, ganja. It's okay. We have ganja. We have joint.
โอเค
Have joint. Yes,
แอป
sir.
ได้
Yes, sir. We have joint.
แอปได้
Yes, sir.
ครับปลายิบแอปได้
Dummy.
หัวเราะ
Baby, so how much was everything here with the papaya salad?
Wait her shake now. Look, we got big fish and เอาเพิ่นลองไก่ให้หยัง and we have big chicken
เด้ในตะกร้าหน่อยพี่บ่
725 56
756. Okay.
บาทแม่นบ่คะ
And this is gonna last us all day.
For one chicken, one fish, big. And we have 3 papaya.
ค่าเป็นสิกิ
Okay.
สาว
Okay.
Alright.
Palm Leo. P
ไปเดี๋ยวเบิ่ง
Let's go
Let's go. All right, y'all. So we are walking down to the waterfall now. Baby, I think we went a different way last time, right?
The same way. Jay and Som take we come up here.
Same way.
Yeah, the same way, but just change a little bit.
Okay. So y'all can see, man, it's just beautiful. nature vibes out here, bro. This is what I love to be around, man. This is what I figured out I really love to be around. The nature. Just such a calming environment, honestly. How you feel about being in nature, baby, in Isan with your family?
I like it. But last night I cannot sleep. I don't know why I sleep too late. Just go and saw the video.
Did you drink last night?
Yeah, a little bit. And I saw the video like in Pattaya. I just meet my friend. I just meet like
Oh, yeah.
Pattaya like sometime.
Yeah, exactly. It's good. I think in Pattaya life is good for like vacation. I feel like it's good for a vacation, not always living there. What about you? You think that?
Yeah, just, I saw it and I feel like missing there.
Missing there. See? See y'all?
But I'm not gonna go stay over there, living there.
Yeah.
Go visit some town.
You gotta go visit. Because she has friends there. I have friends there. You know what I'm saying? It's cool though. It's cool though.
You saw the water?
I hear the water, yeah.
Get ready.
Kid, get ready.
They're excited. I told them like many days ago, but we just come today because it has a storm, have like raining, so that's why we cannot come.
Raining season, huh?
Not
I think it's
really.
rainy season right now. I think so.
Yes, but still, they're gonna like the last month of raining season. They're gonna have like hard and storm a little bit.
Okay.
Then they're gone.
Okay.
ด็กน้อย
But yeah, look how beautiful it is out here, y'all. Tatton Waterfall.
นี่ยาหอมพี่เลี้ยงขอบคุณครับ
Parent? Where parent?
ขอบคุณครับยัง
Where?
Keep you free from here
Sweetie Cop?
สวัสดีครับขอบคุณครับ
Sweetie Cop?
ขอบคุณครับ
Sweetie Cop? Thank you for letting me come your area.
บอกว่าขอบคุณมากที่ให้เข้ามา
So he's the reason we got in this place for free. Usually we would have to pay. It would probably be about 1,000 baht.
Milk will show that first because we're gonna go up.
Because we got so many people,
We
but
have like downside and we have upside here. So today we're gonna go over there because it's good water there. And we have here.
yeah, man, beautiful. Oh my God, yes.
Yeah, it's gonna be like this one.
It's beautiful. It looks even more beautiful than it did last time. I don't know why.
You come. But that time maybe we come the wrong time because we don't have water a lot. Sometimes they don't have water here.
This time it looks so beautiful.
Can you take this one?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Alright.
Y'all, look at this.
And they have one signature over there. When we come back, I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
How I can say like this. The cap. This one.
The bridge.
Yeah, this one. The what?
Bridge.
The bridge, like a big bridge over there.
Her English is getting good. Your English is getting good. Yeah, wait us. It's beautiful. You can just kind of sit on the rocks.
They're gonna go pick where we're gonna sit first.
Yeah.
Or eat.
Picnic. And this whole picnic, y'all, like for all the food and stuff, about maybe 1,400 baht, which is like $40 to $45 for the whole family. It's not bad, bro. You know what I'm saying? That is not bad at all. It's pretty good. We got a lot of people. Like, look how many people we got. We got more than 10 people. Maybe about 10. Probably more than
Or
10.
we gonna go sit over there.
Up to you.
You remember we come make the ASMR video, man?
Yeah, I remember.
That's last year. But look, that's good location.
Yeah.
You have to take off this. I can hold for you. But you have to be careful.
Okay. All right.
Sure?
Yeah. What do you mean be careful of what? What they got?
Yeah,
Alligators?
go.
They got alligators? Crocodiles?
Yes, and we go say
No, yes. I said crocodile.
no. I'm here, you say walking down.
Oh, I said crocodile. Alligator.
We go shake, look, go over there. We caught chicken. How they can go over there? You hold food. Hey. Mel, you can?
Yeah, I think so.
Be careful. He just, everybody want to stop. I have to be careful too. ระวังนะ Can you say ระวังนะ
ระวังนะ
Yeah, it means be careful.
ระวังนะระวังนะ
กองเข้ากองเข้าเลือกทางขี่กันเด้อเร็วโคมคือ
You need help?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Just have to try to move. Be careful, Phil. No? They have hole sometimes.
Have hole?
Yeah, sometimes.
See fish in there?
Yeah, here I cannot tell them.
Are we gonna slide?
You have to like
Slider.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Slider-Man.
Ui, look, the fish ni. In the front.
You can pick it. ได้ได้ได้
ฮะได้อยู่
ไม่ได้ไม่ได้
ไม่ได้มึงไหนย่างก้นกู
It's gonna be sliding right here, baby.
Yeah, you have to be careful. They sometimes have like something.
Yeah, I gotta be careful too. She has a lot of stuff in her hands, so. It wasn't that bad though.
You got it.
What you say?
Look at the butterfly. You see that?
Let's see, yeah, mini butterfly.
Because it's good nature.
Right.
Oh, look. Oh my God. Can you zoom over there?
Yeah.
Look. Oh. Fly over there.
Y'all see that? I don't know if the butterflies are getting picked up. It should be. But it's a whole lot of butterflies over there. You gonna get in the water today?
I'm gonna get in the water, but I think I'm gonna make my video too.
Yeah, ASMR. What's your ASMR channel?
Jom Jam ASMR. I can spell JOMJAEM ASMR on YouTube channel, and I have my Patreon too. My Patreon, if you guys wanna be my member, please the link is below.
So if y'all want to search it up, it's just Jom Jam on Patreon.
Yeah, Jom Jam on Patreon.
And go. And speaking of Patreon, go subscribe to my Patreon too, y'all. That's where I'm putting all my exclusive content. That's where I'm putting all my content that I can't put on YouTube. If you're not subscribed to the Patreon, you're missing out on good content. Patreon link is down below. As y'all can see, the kids already got in the water. Kids already got in the water. Just a real peaceful day, man.
You like it?
I'm ready to get in the water.
Oh my God, she have to work.
This water is gonna be amazing, you guys. Like, if you guys can see, the sun is out today. We got a big sun out today. We're just gonna get in the water. We're just gonna cool down with the water. You know what I'm saying? Just cool down with the water and just enjoy the scenery out here, man. Everybody's enjoying themselves. We got the butterflies out. We got the sun out. No rain today. You know, so it'll be a good day.
ลงไปเลยปล่อยทั้งหลังน่ะ
Hey Yim.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, Pom? What's up, Pen? They are twin. What's up, Pikip? Hello. What's up, Tum? Killing chicken. Chicken. Bo, Ibo. She's name Bo.
You said 190 for that big fish?
And she have this for us too. This the chicken 160.
You know what kind of fish that is?
Panin is like I don't know the name. Panin is like Thai fish. I don't know English name.
Okay.
เข้ม
And we have chicken 160.
เริ่มดื่มไปลงไปเรื่อยเด้อมันกำลังติดหมูบ้องเกี่ยว
กูได้กินนั่นอย่างจ้า
อ๋อบ่ไปมันนี่ก็นี่
นี่ล่ะนี่อ่ะที่เอาใส่จานไว้นี่
เอาใส่ถุงมนุษย์
ตักเขาอ่ะช้อนเลยอันบักกู้
So that's how you cut it?
ยายก้อยก็
It's fried or no?
It's grilled.
กูไม่อยากปา
Grilled.
Grilled with the sauce.
แต่กูบ่ปา
The salt. So salty.
Yep. Not salty.
Oh my God, look at
Taste
that.
good. Gonna taste good.
That looks good.
มาลูกเจ้าของตี
That bone?
Yeah, have one in the middle here. But
มัน
look.
บุบบักเตอร์แล้วแต่ฉันบ่
Look.
ปาเมื่อวาน
Look.
A lot of meat.
Yes. And we put like some gas lemon หรือเปล่า I don't know what it is. Lemon gas.
Lemongrass in there? Oh wow. For
For
flavor.
makes feel good. All right.
Smells good.
And we have here.
Spicy girl.
ผู้ใดยังไม่ได้นั่ง
But youก็กินเสียงสมตำนะ And we have cola. อันนี้ของ
จังหวะมาแม่กินแต่ยัง
And you have your pizza. You see ยัง
Cheers, be home. Cheers.
เฮ้ย
And we have
เดี๋ยว
here
มันนอนเล่นด้วยนะ
the pork salt.
สมแมว
Pork sausage.
Pork
Smell
But
sauce.
it's like sour and salty the same. Taste good though. แหนมหมู
Nemo.
แหนมแมว
Nemel. Nemel.
เอ้าพี่บอกว่าให้เด็กน้อยมันกินบ่เนี่ยขนมมันไหลดอก And you have here your pizza นะ Oh my god Oh sorry but
Looks good still though.
ข้าวปุ้นไหมข้าวปุ้น
Kapon.
น้ำเส้น
Kapon.
ขนมจีน
ขนมเส้น
Kolom jin.
ภาษาบ้านเขาขนม
Tom. Tom.
เส้น
Aroy.
อร่อยมาก
Aroy mak mak.
แซ่บมาก
Set mak mak.
ชิคเก้น
กินไหม
Yeah, I'll
เลีย
try
ดเลียด
some.
เลียดเลียดเลียด
What is that
Chicken.
ก็เขากิน
หอมมั้ยแม่
น้ำหอมมากเขา
Alright, so Jom's gonna have me try some of this fish.
ปลานิล
Panin.
ฟิตนิน
กำนันละตุ้มน้ำแข็งมายี่เหมือนฟองตีกว่าเปิ้ล
Mmm. Mmm.
จับมาก
That is so fresh. That's good, right?
ตั้งจังแมงวันไปใส่ก็ไปน้
Dang, that fish is amazing.
ไม่คือเขารอเดียวสิ
เอาเมียมันติบอก
So what you got?
บัดนี้เฮงมีปัญหากันเรื่องที่อีกบัดเนี่ย
papaya I have the potato
บ่ลิ้นก็ได้ยินก็บ่
tomato and
ว่าเขา
papaya
ชิมิโอเคมันอันนี้น่ะเราบ่รู้ว่าเขาสิเฮ็ดจังได๋คลิปจะซื้อหมองนั้นน่ะมันยังเป็นซื้อผสมอยู่แต่ปันบ่รู้แต่ว่าคันเขาปันปกติส่วนหมู่บ้าน
Spicy for you or no?
บ่ปันบ่ได้เพราะว่าทุกคนน่ะย่าบ้อมปื้อทุกตัวรับรู้เหมือด
I want
เพราะ
some
ว่า
mint
ตอน
noise.
แรกว่าอย่าแลกกันเราผสมบ่เอาผสมมาให้แลกก็คือที่หมองนั้นก็ให้บักตั้มไปที่มึงมีก็คือให้พี่ให้ดมไปแต่ว่า
Just don't give me
ก็คือ
spicy.
บ่ได้ให้พี่ให้ดมหรอกก็ยังให้กูน่ะแต่ว่าเพิ่นบ่อยากให้เป็นซื้อกูเพิ่นมาประวัติว่าดีแล้วตอนตัวหมอใส่อีลุงคือไปเข้านี่นะความกูก็เลยแตกย้อนอี5พอละพี่น้องก็จิบละกูมาสั่น
Spicy for me.
ไอ้กิ๊บอันบ่แม่นเรื่องเจ้าของน่ะจะให้เว้าแค่เข้าในห้อง
Yeah.
อันไปถามไรไปถามมันเจ้าลูกบอกไปถามไทยไปถามเมืองไทย
Okay, it's not that bad. You got a butterfly on you. You had a butterfly on you.
เขารู้ว่าเรารู้จักฉันแม่นบอกเพราะเขารู้ว่าเรารู้จักฉันเขาฝากความยายพ้นมาเด้อเลิกว่ายังน่ะบ่แม่นเราถึงได้มีเสียงนี่
Got the kids eating food too. Roy?
อร่อยมากพี่เสื้อ Butterfly
Butterfly.
yeah oh my god
Really?
เอ้ากันละโอ้
They fly away. Proctor Roy?
ยัมมี่มาก
Yummy mark. Yummy mark.
โอ้ย
We dipping the chicken in the sweet and spicy sauce.
ชุดเต็ม
Hey.
เดี๋ยวนี่เคยอยู่
Up home. Good.
ยัมมี่
Yummy.
มามาไปชิคเก้นหรือเปล่าชิคเก้นก็คือ
Proctor got a haircut, y'all.
ไฟชิคเก้น
Proctor got a haircut.
ไก่ย่างก็ได้
เอาอีกมาติ
Baby, how I can say you enjoy the water?
สนุกกับน้ำไหม
Sanuk kat nak.
แต่ไฟชิคเก้นอ่ะ
Sanuk kat nak. Sanuk kat nak.
เยอะ
กับน้ำไหม
Sanuk kat nak.
มาก
เล่นน้ำสนุกไหมในเมลถามอย่างนี้ป่ะ
สนุก
คนที่นั่งแม่สาว
So yeah, right now we're taking a little bit of a photo shoot, having a little bit of a photo shoot here at the lake, Tatone Waterfall. John got her brown bikini on. You ready to get in the water?
Surely
You like your pictures?
yes
Okay, cool. Cool. I like that bikini.
thank you
Yeah, it's a nice bikini, for sure.
yes you ready to get in
I am ready to get in.
yeah
Let's go ahead and, hold on, let me put my wallet and stuff down. Put my wallet and stuff down. You see fish in there?
yeah
Oh yeah, I do see the fish. Y'all see the fish in there, y'all? They're all over there. They're like real small fish though. Look at Yim over there, just soaking up all the sun, soaking up all the beauty.
you want right now
Huh?
you want lay like this right now
I do want to lay like this because that looks super comfortable. Yim, you look relaxed. Relax. I can say relax in Thai.
นี่แหละก็คุณลุกเพลิดเพลินสนุก
Look,
เล่นน้ำสนุก
Mark. Look, he's taking a shower.
สบาย comfortable
Hey man, we're out here in nature.
Careful.
Yeah.
Slide.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah. So yeah, man, we are out here in nature, bro. The sun is beaming. The sun is beaming.
Oh my God, son.
We out here. I think we took a thumbnail like this one time.
Yeah.
Our last thumbnail when we came here, we took it like that. But hey man, feels good. I'm about to take my hat off and just let this sun get up all up in my head. Soak up all this sun, soak up all this nature. You know what I'm saying? We got several different people over here. You
Kid
said, baby,
over
it's a
there.
holiday, right?
Yeah, it's still holiday.
Still a holiday. So what is the holiday about?
Visakha Busha. It's like big Buddha and have like Mother Day.
Big Buddha.
Big Buddha and Mother Day.
Big Buddha and Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Okay. I got you. I got you. I got you. We got the streams going up in the water, man. The streams of water, huh? Okay. Got the streams of water. Everybody just really enjoying themselves out here. You see them over there laying down. Hoodie Cup. Hello. Everybody's really nice and friendly. You know what I'm saying? Got the kids over there. Feels good to be out here, man. You got those nice water sounds to just listen to, just stand in the middle. Standing in the middle of the freaking waterfall. Waterfall parks all the way over there, it goes down there. But this is a more calm area. It's a little bit quieter over here. We'll come over here because we're making a couple videos, you know what I'm saying? But it's nice though. Huh? Huh? Yeah.
Key water park in Chayyapum we have.
Boat. So we gotta go to the water. You said, and you were saying, we was talking earlier about, I was telling you guys, John's getting in the mood. She's getting that itch to goddamn travel a little bit. John's getting that itch to travel a little bit. John mentioned to me that she was thinking about going, she want to go to the beach, get some beach time in, right? Okay. So where are we gonna be going? We're gonna be going to Koh Si Chang, right?
We don't know yet. I want we pick some choice. We have like tea choice and bikini.
Okay.
So where we got it.
That's good. That's
What
actually.
we got, we go there.
Okay. Sounds good.
Which one we got?
Sounds good.
What you like?
I want to try Koh Si Chang because we haven't been to Koh Si Chang before. And then we can go to Pattaya so we can make that song, the ASMR song. I'm doing an ASMR song for my ASMR channel, y'all. Yes, an ASMR whisper rap. Yes, I am. But
Yeah, maybe we can do. You want Koh Si Chang? We can pick like 3 or 4.
3 or 4 place? You want to go 3 place?
No,
What are you talking about?
I mean,
Pick.
pick the name.
Pick the name.
the page where we're gonna go, and then pick one again.
Yeah.
Pick what you got? We got over there.
Okay. It sounds like a little fun game to do. Little fun game to do. So you guys heard her. She said to put 4 choices of locations where you guys think we should go travel, and we'll pick which one we're gonna go to. So y'all do that for us, and we'll pick which one we're gonna go to. It's been a minute since we've done some traveling together. Last time I went to Pattaya, I went to Pattaya alone. I didn't have my girlfriend with me, sadly. Very sad without my girlfriend, you know what I'm saying? Very sad time. Horrible, horrible time. Really bad.
How many months now?
What you say?
Wait for 6 months.
6 months.
How many months now?
Oh my God, like
2.
2 months.
Have lived 4.
But she won't go. I know she wants to go. She want to go party. She missed party.
Not really, just need my friend.
Miss your friend? Okay. Water feel good though.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Đẹp thế chị.
Too cold! Stop!
เย็นน่ะ
Stop it!
I don't know why. Welcome now when he shower นะ Oh my god. He gonna change the องศาเซลเซียส what is
The heater.
the heater like too high. Like the last high. Oh my god.
Yeah. Ah, no hot. I like hot shower. And I like cold. Stop.
เย็นเลยอ่ะ
Oh.
This pumpkin, this one potato, pepper, potato.
Purple potato. Sweet.
Have sugar a little bit here.
It's a good little snack. Oh, can't show you all the bait, but
Oh, try it.
it's good.
I like it too. Pumpkin. But milk come like this one more.
Sweet more. All right, y'all. So we're gonna walk over here and show you guys a little bit more of the waterfall. You guys saw the front of the waterfall where it's actually showing the waterfall. It's a little bit loud over there. Can't really talk over there. But in the front, if you guys missed this in the front of the video, when we first arrived here at this waterfall, Tadtone Waterfall. But we're just gonna walk a little bit. Careful. Oh crap. I gotta be careful. You said what? Kid play too much. Kid enjoy. Yeah, a little bit, but the water cools it off a little bit.
Oh my god, it's too
Hot, 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 hot. Oh my god, yeah, it is hot. Oh my god, yeah.
You have to walk in like Look, I want the fish.
I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but
You don't see it?
I see it, but I don't know if the camera is. Do you think have big fish here somewhere?
Yeah. But they're not gonna come for people.
They're like in the big water. Kids sitting around here chilling. Got that guy up there.
It's too big and too far.
Yeah. It's So if y'all ever in Isan, man, I recommend Shayapum because it's just a chill environment. I'm pretty sure all types of Isan are like similar to this area. It looks similar, but I'd say Shayapum should definitely go on your list, bro. You know what I'm saying? They got a lot of different stuff. They got a nightlife too. I haven't even posted a nightlife video as of right now. Y'all might have already saw it after this video came out, but it was before. But put Shayapum on your list. Come to Taton Waterfall.
They wanna show.
Slider. Slider.
So here.
ทีสแกน
Don't fall, Papum.
โชว์โชว์
Fuck this. So yeah, man. If you got kids, this is a very kid-friendly place to bring your kids. If you don't have kids, just take yourself or take your girlfriend or wherever, your boyfriend, wherever, whoever's watching this video. You know what I'm saying?
See the butterfly over there.
Butterfly?
That butterfly.
I
They
see
in
a
the
lot
cow.
of them. I see a lot of them. Let me see if I can zoom in. Let's see those things flying around as butterflies. So nice relaxing day, huh? Very relaxing day. All right, guys, so we have a big announcement for you guys right now, right here, right now. So we're doing a group trip here in Pattaya, Thailand. I'm actually standing in Isan Shaiphum, Thailand right now. This is where I'm living right now. I occasionally do go back to Pattaya, but we're doing a group trip in Pattaya from August 14th to August 21st, 2026. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys hit that email that I'm going to put on the screen. So yeah, we're going to be doing 7 days in Pattaya. So I'm thinking about doing this group trip, and then we're gonna do a group trip in Shaiphum. But let's get through this group trip first. So we're gonna be doing 7 days in Pattaya. Every day I have something new for you guys. We're gonna be doing several different activities like temples, beaches, islands, restaurants, anything you can really think of that you can do in Pattaya. We're gonna be doing in those 7 days. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys hit the email below. Hit the email below with like a subject saying interested in the trip, and then just tell me you're interested in the trip, and we can work out different payment plans. I know everybody's gonna be wanting a different type of payment plan. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna probably do like a deposit, have you guys pay a deposit up front, and then after you guys can work on the payment plans, you guys can pay however you guys want to pay, probably like later on or something. So if you guys are interested, so we're gonna be doing 7 days in Pattaya. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys hit that email down below.